What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy TheLonerMikey back at it with another video. This is my first video of 2018, and I got a pretty dope shoe to show you guys what I picked up. For those of you that know, I've been around for a while. Took a slight break from YouTube right now, but I'm back at it making videos. I got some new pickups recently. I got a whole bunch of pickups I haven't put up on YouTube or made a video about, but moving forward I will. So any pickups that I get in the future, I guarantee that I'll be putting it up on the channel. Most definitely showcasing with you guys what I got. Any further updates on the channel or what I'm doing, follow me. I'll put it right here. Snapchat, Instagram, TheLonerMikey. I'm most definitely gonna put that up here in the video. But yeah, I got two great shoes. I want to show you guys what I picked up over All-Star Weekend. As you guys can tell already by the box, you pretty much know what the shoe is. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Gold Toes. Let me show you guys how they look. So right here I got two pair of Air Jordan 1 Gold Toes. I did not get these in my size. Unfortunately, the size that I was going to get, they sold out, but I was able to grab two pairs. Shout out to the plug. These are the Gold Toes. I'm going to give you guys a nice detailed shots of these, but yes, the Gold Toed Air Jordan 1s. So I was able to grab this pair for retail. As you guys can see, the quality on these are really good. Shout out to Jordan Brand, most definitely stepping up. This is their year to come back and most definitely come back with some dope shoes. So these right here are in a size 10. I assume for the traditional Jordan 1s, they're usually true to size. These might be a little bit more narrow because of the patent leather finish all around the shoe. Pretty much these were everywhere All-Star Weekend. A lot of people were reselling them. These actually resold. These are sold right now. I sold these for I believe $270, $230 in that price range. I seen it go up to $300. You know, I wasn't really pressed to get $300 out of these, but yeah, made my money back and some. But these are really nice, man. This is a nice shoe. Me personally, it's not my type of shoe. It's a little bit too flashy for me. I usually like a traditional Air Jordan 1 OG colorways, things of that sort. But this is a nice shoe for the summer and spring coming up. Yeah. So the Air Jordan 1s, you know, came out over All-Star Weekend. All-Star Weekend was pretty packed with a whole bunch of shoes that were coming out from Jordan Brand, Adidas, from everyone. Pretty much everyone has shoes and nice collabs. Pretty dope in LA how they had all the setups and all the Nike warehouses and Adidas warehouses and everything that's going on in LA that weekend, this past weekend. These are the Air Jordan 1 Gold Toes. They're really nice. If you snagged a pair, leave a like on this video because most definitely you're going to be seeing a lot of these going around. And the value of these are going to go up like the top 3 ones, like your boy picked up in a steal. But yes, here are the Air Jordan 1 Gold Toes. Let me show you guys the details. By the looks of the Air Jordan 1s, you guys can tell it has the gold toe, the black patent leather on the foot, on the front foot. Also got the white patent leather and the gold patent leather in the back, all around the shoe. Then also you got the black patent leather on this side and a gold swoosh and the gold in the back here of the shoe. So these were a really good snap for me to have. I won't be adding this pair into my collection, but I most definitely already sold this pair, so which is great. But yeah, I'm next week hopefully picking up the bread toe 1s. See how those are looking. Most definitely gonna add those to my collection. But yeah, guys, these are the gold toe 1s. A great pair to have for the spring and summer that's coming up. And also you got the Supreme drops coming up. As you can see, I got some new pickups. I'm also going to give you guys some more looks into what I picked up recently. Be on the lookout for a nice lookbook I'm coming up. It's going to be a dope video I got planned for you guys. But yes, these are the Gold Toe 1s. A really great pickup for the people that cop these off me, and also for Jordan Brand to drop a nice shoe like this. It's really nice to have. But yes, your boy's back with another video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for those who are subscribed, and thank you for watching this video. welcome if you're new. But this is your boy TheLonerMikey. I appreciate the love from everyone on YouTube and also on social media. But yes, thank you so much. And also one thing, I got a great deal for people that are looking to get their shoes clean and restored. I really got a great service going on. It's called KICKZRX. I'll link to that also in the description, where you guys can follow the Instagram, where it's me pretty much restoring and cleaning shoes. It's a really good service that I offer, really good prices. So if you guys need your kicks clean or anything, let me know. You can also DM me on social media at TheLonerMikey. I'm also going to have that in the description below. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Your boy is back. It's your boy Mikey, man, The Loners.